Are you hiding?
Bear.
You're a bear? Oh my goodness. You being gentle with Alex? Is Alex watching you? Oh, it's a lovely blanket for Alex. Good job, sweetie. What are you doing? Alex is hiding, is he? Be very gentle with him. Okay, you need to take it off now. Take it off. Thank you. No, it doesn't pull off, Pop It. Just leave it there. It's to catch his drool. As he dribbles. No, just leave it on him, Will. Will, he needs it on, sweetie. He has the dribbles. Yeah. I don't think Alex likes hiding, sweetie. I think it upsets him when yeah, you can do hiding with Thomas. I don't know how that's gonna go, but the Thomas track, yay! Oh, he has to go the other way, sweetie. He can't make it up that hill. There, well, can if you push him. Okay. There's Alex, sitting on the big ginormous chair. So cute. Be gentle and don't do that right in his face, sweetie. It scares him. Oh, Thomas is stuck. Oh, he's not on the track properly, sweetie. There you go.
Hi there.
Oh, no, he's not on right, sweetie.
I'll give him some. Hi. You're not wearing your socks anymore. Did your brother steal those?
Yes. Okay, calm down, Will. Will.
Calm down.
You have to be gentle and sort of quiet around Alex.